Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP EliteBook 850 out here. A very interesting gadget, a very interesting model out here. 850 की बात करें, 850 series is really an amazing version. Whereas EliteBook की बात करें, if we talk about EliteBook, then we can say that it has got Intel vPro technology. Along with that, it gives you inbuilt Microsoft Office Windows operating system out there. You get to see Windows operating system also. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant has an embedded security of TPM Security 1.2 security chip system. So overall, EliteBook के जो functions हैं, EliteBook's internal or the pre-installed functions are seen in this variant also. Overall, talking about this variant, it is a designed version for the corporate world, mainly for the corporate world we can say. But yes, home use के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. It's not mandatory that you cannot use for the home usage. But definitely we would say that it is for the corporate world basically. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, we can say that this variant uses Intel Core i5 4th generation processor. Intel Core i5 4th generation processor is definitely an amazing version. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you a max turbo speed of 2.9 gigahertz. Is 2.9 gigahertz max turbo speed is seen on this variant. Along with that, you get to see a clock speed of 2.9 gigahertz. So overall, it is really good that 2.9 gigahertz max turbo speed, 1.9 gigahertz is the clock speed out here. Along with that, it offers you enhanced speed SEP technology. Yes, enhanced speed SEP technology could be seen. Now, this is a technology, or we can say inbuilt feature out there, which enhances the progress and the functionalities out there. Along with that, it offers you Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 also. Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, it has got a good memory pass. Yes, memory ki baat, if we talk about the memory thing, then the cache memory, or we talk about the RAM memory, storage, everything is good. Talking about the cache memory, it offers you installed size of 3 MB. Yes, installed size of 3 MB could be seen out, along with a RAM memory of installed size of 4 GB. 4 GB installed RAM memory could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to have a RAM type of DDR3L RAM type. So DDR3L RAM type could be seen out in this version. Along with that, it offers you a maximum support size of 16 GB with 2 slotations. Yes, 2 slots are there, so you get to have a maximum support size of 16 GB out there. Along with that, you can say that this variant offers you great range of specifications, offers you great range of connectivities out there. Now, when we talk about this RAM storage out there, we cannot neglect out the hard drive storage, which is actually the main storage out there. Talking about the hard drive storage, talking about the storage or the hard drive, we can see it offers you SSD type storage. Yes, SSD type storage could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, it offers you 180 GB. Yes, 180 GB capacity. So hard drive storage with SSD type 180 GB out there. So this is really amazing version. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a functionality in the environmental factors also. When we talk about environmental factors, then HP usually designs its devices according to the environmental factors so that it can work optimally in the harsh environmental conditions. Yes, harsh environmental conditions also provides you optimum results out there. Talking about these results, let us talk about the display, because display has all the results out there. You get to see all the results out in the display itself. Talking about the results, then we can say that it offers you a screen size of 39.6 centimeters. Since it's a corporate world design gadget, the screen really needs to be good. So it offers you 39.6 centimeter screen size. Along with that, it offers you a full HD resolution. Yes, HD resolution की बात करें तो full HD resolution is seen out there. Along with that, it offers you full HD standard view angle, like full HD resolution के साथ साथ standard view angle भी है. Anti-glance technology could be seen out. So these are the monitor featurings out there. What is the screen type? Which kind of LED is used? It uses LED backlight. Yes, LED backlight could be seen out in this variant. That is really good. So overall, it is very amazing version, that LED backlight, full HD display with standard view angle and anti-glance. According to this gadget, we can see that it uses a good technology, that is the TN technology inbuilt in it, because this kind of technology uses a great specifications out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant or device out here goes a good multimedia because it offers you a great graphics. Talking about the graphical part, then we can say that it offers you Intel HD graphics 4400. Yes, 4400 Intel HD graphics could be seen out here. Along with that, integrated webcam is seen with a capturing capacity of 1280 into 720 pixels or the resolution. So this is really good. Apart from that, since a graphical part is important, so there has to be stereotype speakers also. So it offers the stereotype speakers and stereotype microphones inbuilt in it. Along with that, you get to see that the keyboard offers you a touch pad with a pointing stick. Along with that, spill resistance, volume control, gesture controls could be seen out here. It also offers you a good range of connectivity with wireless, Bluetooth. You can say it offers you good range of connectivity with USB connectors, 3 audio input output jack, power connectors out there. No optical drive is seen. Yes, no optical drive is seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that this offers you a 3-cell lithium polymer battery, so that it offers you good lithium polymer battery out there. So good run timing could be seen out here. So overall, this is a very interesting variant out there. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, then this site just at click.com. The site just at click.com offers you great range of products and your pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates out here. Along with that, you also get to have a customizability option. So when we talk about customizability, then the gadgets which can be customized according to the companies or the pre instructions out there, they can customize easily. Apart from that, you also get to have a very effective and cost friendly gadgets out there. So let us search this gadget out in this search icon, HP EliteBook 850 out here. So when we talk about EliteBook 850, then we get to see that you can customize it also. And let us talk about any one of the gadgets. Let us talk about this one. So this is the result out here, and talking about the results, we get to see that it offers a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. Along with that, you also get to see that there's a condition return, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about these refurbished products, or what is actually refurbished product all about, then, and what does refurbishing brand new products look like? So we are going to talk about that now. Talking about the word refurbished, when we say refurbished, then we can say that refurbished means creating something new, like, or creating something from the old things. Yes, like they are absolutely same as brand new. Their design is same, their structurality is same, even the functionalities, everything is same out there. So you get to see that they offer you same kind of we can say functionality differences out there. No difference out there actually. There is no much difference in refurbished and brand new. Now, when we talk about these two products, then what are the major differences involved in this? Because if they are structurally same, they are same in functionalities, they have same design, they have same testers, everything is same. Then why is a name given as refurbished, or why the word refurbished is introduced for that? Then we can say that the word refurbished is introduced because it provides, or it has a thing or a main difference out there, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? It is pre-owning anything. Initially, what happens in brand new products, they are pre-owned by the company itself before releasing into the market. So definitely company owns it. That is not pre-owned, that is owned it. Whereas once a gadget is released in the market, then it is being used by a new user, then it is called as pre-owned gadget. So let us talk about this marketplace also and how this pre-ownization works. Then we can say that there is a pathway followed out, which is the base, mediator, and the consumer out there. This is just like normal pathway, start to end. Talking about brand new, then we can say that company owns every gadget. Company owns it, so it does this thing that it owns it, then brings out in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget. It provides you that kind of functionality. And when we talk about this kind of a gadget, then we can say that it offers you a great range of production. Now, how does it happen? It happens in the way like you have that gadget in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget's functionalities out there. You get to see that the gadget is in the marketplace with different pricing. Everything is there. Then gadget is owned by any user, like us. We are the users. After that, what happens is this is the ending of brand new. Yes, brand new ends there. What happens is that now the gadget is owned by a user that wants to resell it. So this is an extension of brand new. We can say there is an extension of brand new. Now it wants to be resold. So what happens when it is being resold? It is brought up in the marketplace. Yes, it is brought up where it has to be resold, and then it is sold to another user, a new user out there. Talking about this, then we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, they are extension to each other. How? How they are extension? Like we can say that when a user sells off their gadget, their pre-owned gadget in the marketplace, that is the brand new product till then. But once it is resold to that marketplace, it becomes a different product. The brand new ends over there itself when it is owned. So now there is a testing also done, because every gadget needs to be done in the testing format. It need to have a testing out there. So what happens is the testing has to be done for the brand new. If we talk about, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the testing has to be done in not other format, but in a simple format where the company tests this out, where sites test that gadget out. So you get to see different sites out there. But for refurbished or for pre-owned gadgets, testing has to be done in within the website which resells it. Yes, the site which we sold our gadget to, or which is going to resell that gadget, that has to test that gadget again. So this ends over the pathway out there. Uh, Talking about this pathways and testing out there, so let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally, if they are same, functionality is same, so testers out there has to be same, which determines their structurality, functionalities, everything. Talking about these structures, talking about structuralities and everything, then we can say that there are actually two major parameters which are divided or classified, that are external and internal parameters. Now, when we talk about external parameters, then we say the external parameters are the parameters which can be seen through eyes, which does not require any kind of software or any kind of gadgets out there, equipment, robots, that is not required out there for their testing. Like we can test out the scratches, buttons, placement of buttons, power, uh, jack systems out there, display, screen size, proper working on off buttons out there, timing out there. So these things which can be checked out through our eyes, which does not require any gadget out there. So this is what happens in the external parameters. Once it crosses the external parameter, it comes to the internal parameters, which are quite complicated, because these are the internal elements, and these elements require nothing else but a specially designed software for it, or equipments are there. There are few small gadgets devices or for any other things out there required for this. Once these gadgets are defined, like what kind of parameters it includes, so we can say that includes the internal processor out there, chip system, CPU, cache memory, RAM, hard drive, what kind of hard drive it uses, the spindle speed out here, the rated memory speed, the clock speed out there, even the connectivities, or we can say that every small big elements like graphic processor out there, graphical integrated webcam out there. So everything which is included out there is seen in this internal parameters. Once it crosses the internal parameters and external, it is certified as refurbished. But what would happen if it fails in any of the parameter, any one of the parameter? Then it has to be rectified. If it can be renewed, it can be replaced, then it has to be replaced with the original product itself. So once it is replaced with the original product, it is refurbished, it is renewed out there. It provides you a good quality product actually. After it is refurbished, it provides a good quality product, great servicing out there, a good to use product. But still, there are few benefits of having a refurbished product, because if you are talking about refurbished, then what are the major advantages of having a refurbished product? Number one would be the pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates for your gadgets. Talking about refurbished products, then we can say that refurbished products provides you a pocket friendly rate. They provide you a cost effective, pocket friendly, and a good to have gadgets in a pocketable rates. Because we know that brand new products are actually expensive. Once they are released in the market, they are quite expensive out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing out there, there's a difference in pricing, and there is not a major difference, but yes, there is a difference out there. So you get to have a savings also. You can have a great savings, because since there is a difference in pricing, there is difference in the conditions out there. So you get to see that there is a difference in the savings also for you. But we all know that brand new products comes with a warranty period. But do pre-owned gadgets offer you warranty period is a big question out there. So talking about the warranty period, then we can say that it comes with 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this offers you 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy out there. Along with that, you also get to see that they are offering you great advantages out there, along with profitable rates, savings. So talking about this kind of product, let us talk about the website once again. And talking about the website, we are back at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. A very interesting website out here. The name itself suggests just at a click. So you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. As we already know that this website offers you customization option. We already know that gadgets could be customized, especially the laptops out there could be customized according to the needs. So it offers you customization option, as well as this site offers you COD out here all over UAE. Apart from that, you get to have an hassle-free shopping, since it's an online website where you can shop out there. So it's a hassle-free shopping nowadays. Along with that, free home delivery and money back guarantee along with online support system is provided out here. You get to have a delivery time of approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time might take up to Saudi. But depending upon your customization, it might vary accordingly. For best pricing, check out the website out there, as well as you can visit out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.